Hey guys, David Patrick Green, HackHollywood.com. I just wanted to do a really quick video to help you guys make some decisions in your lives. Sometimes when you're trying to do one thing, you're so focused on the wrong thing that you miss the thing that could really help you. To be specific, because that was just a really bad explanation, I have a guy, he's a member of Hack Hollywood, and he'll probably see this video, so hopefully he doesn't mind. I use this example, but I'm not going to name his name. But, he moved to a different city from his hometown to a larger market where he really hoped to develop his skills and, get some professional acting credits to his name. And, it really just didn't work out the way he'd hoped. He spent a few months, if not several months there, and I think being on his own, he felt isolated and he didn't have somebody really watching his back on a regular basis and didn't have someone to talk to and sort of give him some advice along the way. And he spent a ton of money on rent because it's an expensive city. And, I think at the end he felt like, wow, I didn't get as much out of it as I could have, and I feel kind of bummed out and that kind of thing. And, not to be self-serving, but I said, if you had hired me to coach you, you probably would have accomplished a ton of stuff in half the time that you spent there, and you would have actually ended up saving thousands of dollars that you didn't have to spend on rent because you could have accomplished a lot, and you probably would have started earning money as an actor or maybe working at a production company or something like that, but you would have gotten a lot further ahead of the game. And you could have gone home sooner had you wanted to, but you wouldn't have paid all this rent and accomplished very little. And so sometimes the opportunity cost, like the money you're trying to save by not spending, ends up costing you more. Okay, so he knew about me, he knew what I did, and he didn't think he needed it, and I didn't push it. And I guess he figured he was saving a lot of money on the coaching side of things, but and part of the reason he felt he couldn't afford the coaching is because of how much money he was spending on rent. But he could have spent a lot less on rent and easily paid for the coaching with the money he would have saved on rent, and he would have come out ahead in terms of his career, his mentality, his empowerment, and his knowledge about the industry in general. So anyway, guys, just a quick one to think about. Sometimes when you're doing something, ask yourself really why you're doing it, and think of other scenarios like, well, what if I spent my money on this? Or what if I spent my time on this? Would it be more valuable in the long run? And maybe you need to shift your thinking a little from the short term to the long term, and maybe that'll help you get further ahead and save you money at the same time. Because at the end of the day, right, it's not about saving money. It's about having an acting career. It's about developing your acting prospects. So that's really what you want to focus your efforts on. And if you need to spend a little money on that, great. Scrimp somewhere else, but spend the money in the right places with someone or something, some organization that you trust, and you will come out ahead in the long run. Hope this was helpful. If you liked it, give me a like, please, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. And please leave a comment or question, suggestion in the comment section below. And I will talk to you soon.